Hey, this is Mike Fox with Window Repair Systems and WindowHardwareDirect.com, and today I want to do another Q&A. We get a lot of questions about how to take a shoe out of the jam when there is a cutout and when there isn't a cutout. So for this case, we have a window that we've already taken the sash out, and this doesn't have a cutout. So I'm going to demonstrate how to actually make this cutout nice and easy. But there is a couple tools that you can use if you don't have these around your house. The first tool, very simple, just a regular box cutter. This one's a little bit more primitive and more dangerous because you could slip and cut yourself. The next one is an oscillating saw. This will make another really nice clean cut. You can get in there different angles and give yourself a nice cutout. And another one is a Dremel. This gives you a little bit more precision. You can get in there. And so with this case, I'm going to use the Dremel and show you how I get the shoe out. All right, so when you're trying to figure out how big to make the cutout, I bring up the shoe and make some marks on where I'm trying to cut, just to give me reference. All right, so now after the cutout's made, you're going to want to slide this shoe back up. Using a flathead screwdriver is probably the best, and you kind of just got to wiggle it out, pull it out on an angle, and the shoe should pop out. And to reinstall a new shoe, you're going to do the opposite. You're going to put the shoe in on an angle to the back, and then it's probably going to need some assistance using a rubber mallet or the back of the flathead screwdriver. And slide it on down, and should be ready for the balances to be installed. Okay, so that is how to take a shoe out without a cutout and using a Dremel. I personally like using the Dremel because it's easier to control and it makes a nice clean cut. So this is good for block and tail balances, spiral balances, and constant force balances. And I recommend highly putting a stop on this so that you don't blow your balance out. And you can get around this with a screw-in stop or whatever stop that comes with the window. If you like what we're doing, hit the like button, subscribe. Mike Fox with Window Repair Systems and WindowHardwareDirect.com. Thanks.